Hello, welcome to our webinar. My name is Jared Linares, and I'm the Cloud Solutions Architect here at AeroDefense. Today I'm joined by Tom Sweat, our account manager.
Hi, Jared. Glad to be here. Again, I'm Tom Sweat, account manager at AeroDefense. I've been with AeroDefense since the start of 2023. Prior to that, I was a New Jersey State Trooper. And while there, I was a one-time station commander at MetLife Stadium.
Tom, as a previous station commander at MetLife Stadium, can you paint me a picture of what your day-to-day looked like at MetLife? And kind of give me a picture, especially when it came to overseeing safety and perimeter security.
Sure, Jared. My role involved overseeing all public safety operations at the stadium, coordinating with local and federal partners, again, managing perimeter security and ensuring readiness for events, everything from NFL games to large scale concerts.
At what point did drones become a noticeable concern in your role?
My role as station commander started in 2019, but drones, unauthorized drone flights, I think were getting on the radar. It was about 2014, 2015. At first, sightings were sporadic, but it quickly became clear that drones were appearing during major events. It raised serious concerns about safety, privacy, and operational functionality.
Uh, Tell us a little bit more about this drone ordinance and tell us a bit about like what sparked the need for it.
Law enforcement needed more authority when responding to drone activity and unauthorized drone flights. The FAA, the federal laws focused on airspace. They had the airspace. So we worked with lawmakers to create a local ordinance that targeted takeoffs and landing locations, something we could actually enforce.
Were there, I guess, any particular incidents that served as a wake up call, or were these ordinances more of a proactive move?
It was definitely more of a proactive move. The number of unauthorized flights was increasing, but law enforcement and stadium security are inherently proactive. And this was about identifying a gap and addressing it before something serious occurred.
I guess if there's someone listening to our webinar today that's from a city or agency that doesn't yet have a local drone ordinance, what advice would you give them?
Yeah, be proactive. Don't wait for an incident to occur. Uh, Base your ordinance around launch and landing restrictions and work closely with your legal team. Engage all key stakeholders early, and you'll probably need an ordinance in place earlier than you think.
During your time as station commander, did MetLife Stadium do anything to help enforce these ordinances? Or, I guess, also, what kind of solutions did they implement to curb the drone problem?
The MetLife Stadium security was very proactive. They had already deployed a detection system from AeroDefense. It provided real-time intelligence that allowed law enforcement troopers to respond quickly, which significantly improved enforcement and aided deterrence.
Okay, so let's say you detect an unauthorized drone. Walk us through the typical response procedure.
Sure. Once detected, a trooper would be dispatched to the pilot's location. From there, they would conduct an investigation like they would to any responding to any other incident. And depending on the circumstances, take legal action under the ordinance.
Have you seen the enforcement of these ordinances make a real difference in awareness or behavior over time?
Yes, enforcement has created a deterrence, but with the size of the crowds, the growing number of drones manufactured and being sold currently, incidents still occur. It helps, but it wasn't a silver bullet.
What's one lesson from your time at MetLife that you think applies across the board when it comes to airspace security?
You don't know what you don't know. Without real time detection, you're always reacting. And in high risk environments, that's not good enough.
I guess if there's anyone listening today and they want to learn more about this topic or stay updated, where can they find information?
Sure. Visit aerodefense.tech. We share practical insights and tools for agencies and venues looking to get ahead of the drone threat.
Sounds good. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, Jared.